Once upon a time, a poor farmer lived in a village with his 3 sons. They were strong but lazy, always avoiding work. The farmer grew old and worried that after his death, his sons would waste their lives. One day, on his deathbed, he called them and said, "There is a hidden treasure buried in our field. Dig deep, and you will find it." Soon after, the farmer passed away. Eager to find the treasure, the sons dug every inch of the field, but found nothing. Disappointed, they decided to plant seeds anyway. That season, the crops were richer than ever before. They finally understood what their father meant.